Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Please write yes in the chat, guys, if I'm audible and visible to you. Thank you, guys, for confirming. Anil ji, Anuj is not well today. So, welcome, guys. Welcome to the Bankex Expiry. We have Nikun sir with us today. हमने सुबह सीडीआई आइडिया में सुंदरम फाइनेंस दिया था और एक और हमने लोधा भी एक कन्वेक्शन आइडिया जो हमने इनिशिएट किया था ट्रेड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमने इंट्राडे ट्रेड भी सुबह दिया था. सो मेक श्योर गाइस जिन्होंने भी ट्रेड लिया है यू यूज द स्टिक स्टॉप लॉस एंड अगर आपको अपसाइड पे 2 या 3% जो भी दिखता है प्लीज बुक योर प्रॉफिट्स. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर निकुंज सर. लेट हिम जॉइन. पंजाब पटेल जी, मार्केट में करेक्शन आपको और देखने मिल सकता है. लेट्स सी दिस वीक हाउ इट गोस. देन आपको हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स आपको प्रॉपर गाइड कर देंगे व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू शुड डू. डेफिनेटली तपस्वी विल ट्राई टू रिकवर योर लॉस. The stock queries part, guys, please be patient. Nikun sir will join and take your stock queries. We'll share the BTST as well. Meanwhile, I'll just check the trade that we had shared in the morning. तो गाइस हमने कोफोर्स सुबह जो दिया था 27216 के प्राइस पे, अभी फिलहाल वही प्राइस पे चल रहा है, बट इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 7300 अराउंड. तो जिन्होंने भी अगर किया होगा प्रॉफिट बुक ये जो भी अपसाइड का है तो दैट इज रियली ग्रेट, बट यू कैन स्टिल होल्ड विद अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 7120. Just guys, give me a minute. I'll just check with Nikun sir and I'll get back here. So guys, Nikun sir is joining in a minute. Also, we'll just go through the CDI call जो हमने सुबह दिया था. So हमने सुंदरम फाइनेंस दिया था guys सुबह. So it's trading near 5274. फिलहाल कुछ दिनों से एक साइडवेज ही है. We'll wait. फिलहाल ये ब्रेकआउट जोन पे ही है. So we'll wait. Just hold the call. तो हमने जो बाइंग रेंज दिया था उससे थोड़ा सा हमें डिप दिखा है 1% का, बट विल स्टिल होल्ड इट विद अ स्टॉप लॉस जो भी हमने सजेस्ट किया था विद अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 5115. So hold is the only call as of now. So we have Nikun sir with us now. अमित जी डेफिनेटली हम लोग करवाएंगे. निकुंज सर ने अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन किया. ही विल जस्ट
am I audible?
go through the market, analyze the data. तब जब उसके बाद ही वो आपको ट्रेड सेटअप बता पाएंगे. कॉल या पुट साइड में हमें ट्रेड करना है या कुछ स्ट्रेटजी प्ले करना है. ही विल बी द राइट पर्सन टू गाइड यू.
Avinash, am I audible?
जी Q4 stop loss hit तो हुआ नहीं है सुबह, मैंने अभी जस्ट आपको अपडेट दिया. It's near our buying range only. It made a high of 40-50 points upside.
Sir, you are audible. Avinash, can you hear Nikun sir?
Nikun sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Over to you, Nikun sir. Let me know when we are good to go.
So I'm audible and visible, right? My screen is visible?
Absolutely, Nikun sir. You're good to go.
Perfect. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the first weekly expiry of this month and BKX की first weekly expiry है. So start करते हैं. फिलहाल इंडेक्स से आज सुबह से हमने देखा है relentless selling pressure है in the markets. अगर निफ्टी की बात करें तो एक अपटिक से स्टार्ट हुआ था, लेकिन क्विकली ऊपर से सेलिंग आ गई है. 25,150 के आसपास से ओपन करके हाई किया था, वहां से ऑलमोस्ट 400 पॉइंट ऊपर से घट गया है. तो वी आर एट 24,750 ऑन द स्पॉट लेवल. तो ऊपर में जब तक 25,200 क्लोजिंग बेसिस पे नहीं ब्रेक करता है ऑन द हायर साइड, मार्केट थोड़ा सा साइडवेज टू नेगेटिव बायस ही रहेगा हमारा. एंड सेल ऑन बाउंस स्टैंस हमारा रहेगा इन निफ्टी 25,200 के ऊपर क्लोज आता है तो ही थोड़ा सा सिनेरियो में चेंज हो सकता है. तो निफ्टी जब तक 25,200 के नीचे है तब तक सेल ऑन बाउंस ही रहेगा. नीचे में 24,444 24,444 ये एक क्रूशियल सपोर्ट है. तो विल सी हाउ मार्केट रिएक्ट्स वंस इट गोज देयर. निफ्टी बैंक की अगर बात करें, विच इज वेरी सिमिलर टू बैंकेक्स, एंड बैंक निफ्टी almost 1,000 points lower है. We have made a low at 50,194. So within 5-6 trading sessions, the index from 54,300 has come to 50,001 50,200. So almost 4,200 point का correction देखा गया है, which is a very steep fall, and it has come to a psychological level of 50,000. So it is very important for it to hold that mark. अभी बैंकेक्स की बात करें, बैंकेक्स फिलहाल स्पॉट लेवल चल रहा है 57,246 एंड उसका वीकली वीवैप इज क्लोज टू 59,500. So 59,500 and we are almost 2,500 points lower than the weekly VWAP. So VWAP फिलहाल के लिए irrelevant है क्योंकि almost 2,000 पॉइंट नीचे है. एंड सो विच इज वाई एक सेल ऑन बाउंस स्टैंड हमारा नेगेटिव बायस रहेगा बैंकेक्स में. सो द स्ट्राइक दैट इज ऑन आवर रडार इज 57,100 पुट एंड 57,200 पुट. तो ये दो पुट हमारे रडार पर है. तो आई जस्ट क्विकली शेयर द स्ट्राइक. Yeah. So currently it is quoting 57,200 put is quoting at 150 and 57,100 is quoting at, my screen is not working properly, it is quoting at 113. So ये दो स्ट्राइक फिलहाल के लिए हमारे रडार पर है, 57,100 पुट एंड 57,200 put. So we'll try to play this the last hour of trade with these two, or एक strike we'll try to play with that. So as of now हमारा bias थोड़ा सा negative ही है because सुबह से we have seen a sharp decline and every small dip, small rise has been sold into. तो 50 मिनट का चार्ट में लगा देता हूँ स्क्रीन पे. फिलहाल the put is quoting at 95 and 57,200 is quoting at 120 odd. So I think we'll go with 57,200 put only, because I think the risk reward would be favorable in that, because it is slightly in the money and at the money. So I don't want we don't want that price decay to hurt us. So what we can do is जो 57,200 put है फिलहाल 120 के आसपास है, 110 120. What we'll try to do is we'll try to buy this put 57,200 put between 75 to 80, and we'll keep 42 as the stop loss. So our buying range with regards to BKX 57,200 put would be 75 to 80, and we'll keep 42 as the stop loss, right? So current market price is quoting at 110, 112. So 110 है अभी. So our buying range would be 75 to 80. We'll keep 42 as the stop and look for 140, 120 or 130 and 160 on the higher side. So I think I'm clear with my strikes and levels, right? Avinash, you're speaking on mute.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
So I'll just repeat the strikes once again.
Yes.
To buy Bankex 57,200 put, the buying range will be near 75 to 80.
Perfect.
And stop loss of 42. The target for the upside, the first target will be 120, 140. The third will be 160.
150. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. So this is the trade setup that we are working with. So we'll try to play the negative side only, क्योंकि bias negative है, VWAP के भी नीचे trade कर रहा है, and सुबह से even small 100 point का भी एक swing ऊपर आता है, तो it has been sold into. So we'll try to be with the market. जो trend है उसी के side हम जाएंगे. तो फिलहाल the put has come to 95, 96. Range is between 75 to 80. So we'll buy in that range only. We won't be in a hurry to buy it. अभी 84 है, 84 का एक टिक मार रहा है नीचे में, 80.95 का लो किया है सब पहले. We'll wait. 75 80 is our buying range, so we'll wait for that. फिलहाल 83 है, नीचे में 80.95 का लो किया है, so I'm not buy not triggered. Now the buy is triggered. It has made a low of 80, so our put option is active now. 76 का low किया है. We'll keep 42 as a stop and look for 120 and 150 on the higher side. So we'll try to play this negative bias for the last hour, and we have bought थोड़ा सा dip में buy किया है in the option, which is 57,200 put option, because सुबह से relentless selling है, and all the index majors like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, all the banking heavyweights, even SBI, Bajaj Finance, Finserv, जो comprise करते हैं ये index को, has been trading थोड़ा सा sideways, थोड़ा negative bias. तो हम लोग वही play करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं for the last hour or so. So I think सबका comfortably active. The trade is active and our stop is 42. And please be mindful of the stop and target, because बहुत wild swings है. Even in the option premium, ये एक time पे 550 का high करके almost it is at 50. So 60, 63. So be mindful of your sizing as well as your stop loss and targets, because the move is very quick and it is very unforgiving. If you are not too active with your trade, you might be wiped out very quickly. So be mindful of that and play the last hour accordingly. So currently it is quoting at 72, 65, 66. Our stop is 42. So be mindful of that and don't try to average or anything. If the trade works, it is good. If it does not work, you have to respect the market. So it made a low of 51. Our stop is 42. Our buying range was 75 to 80. So it is currently 20, 25 points lower than our buying price.
Balvinder ji, be patient. Be patient.
So I think it made a low of 39 and our stop has got hit. So I think you should exit the position. Our stop got hit. Our range was 75 to 80 and our stop was 42. And I think our stop loss has got hit. So I would like to uh, exit the position, exit from the put option 57,200. I think premiums has got decayed a bit and थोड़ा सा एक uptick, sharp uptick बैंक निफ्टी में आया है, which is when we started the session, the bank nifty was quoting at 50,000 or something, and bank nifty has seen a sharp surge in the last few ticks. Yes, so almost 50,400 say 51,150, so almost 600 points का एक sharp uptick आया in bank nifty, so which is why the put didn't work as per our plans and our stop got hit. So we'll try to fix it if we get any other setup, but एक sharp surge देखा है बैंक निफ्टी में, so I think और आर्ली में भी negation हुआ है. Just check the charts. Yes, so I think our trade has got stopped out, so I think my message is clear that we have to exit the position. कुछ रहेगा तो we'll definitely update on the same.
So guys, please exit from the trade. It made a low. हमारा stop loss 42 का था.
Yes.
So stop loss hit होके it went more downside.
Yes.
We'll track another strike. Meanwhile, निकुंज सर हमें तो दूसरा strike देते जिसमें हमें fresh entry मिल सकता है. Just be patient. निकुंज sir, do we have any BTST trade? Meanwhile, जब तक आप दूसरा strike track कर लो.
I think CG Power is one stock. I think सुबह से it has been trading strong. So I'll just quickly check. So CG Power एक trade BTST classic BTST बन रहा है. I mean it has a bullish engulfing on the daily scale, and we recommend to buy at the CMP with 751. He was top of 730 and look for 779 or 780 on the higher side. So 780 का target, 751 is the current market price, and 730 is the stop. So BTST के लिए CG Power एक stock समझ में आ रहा है, which can do very good because daily पे एक bullish engulfing है, and on a day where the index is lower by almost 0.5%, the stock is trading strongly. So which is showing a relative outperformance in the market. So the bullish trend should continue for tomorrow as well, and it's a classical BTSC candidate. 751 है, 730 का stop, and look for 780 on the higher side.
Great. Tapas ji, as you can see, market में भी थोड़ा सा fall आया है last from couple of few days. So that might be also a reason कि ये जो हमारा loss हुआ है, but nevertheless we made a back-to-back profit from last 2 weeks. So इस अकेले जी I don't see morning का intraday stop loss hit हुआ. मैंने session शुरू होते ही इसके ऊपर update दे दिया था. So निकुंज सर, जब तक अगर आप दूसरा strike track करें, any fresh opportunity, can we take few queries?
Definitely.
LIC Housing Finance.
Okay.
Tapas ji, definitely we will try आपका loss recover हो जाए.
तो LIC एक स्टॉक में ब्रेकडाउन दिया है, तो 630 का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग हर्डल है और काफी टाइम से वो 630 होल्ड कर रहा था. आज 630 के नीचे चले गया है, 608 है, तो आई थिंक 630 एक रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगा. तो ऊपर में 630, जब तक 635 के ऊपर क्लोज नहीं आता तब तक एक सेल ऑन बाउंस चांस ही रहेगा इसमें भी. और नीचे में 580 का एक सपोर्ट है. अगर आपका बाइंग पोजीशन है तो कीप अ स्टॉप ऑफ 580. So what we have seen, Bank Nifty is almost positive now. So 50,300 से 1,000 points का recovery देखा गया Bank Nifty में. So it's kind of very wild swings. पूरे दिन it was lower by 2%, the Bank Nifty index, and within last 15 minutes, 2-15 minutes के candle में it has recovered 1,000 points, which is 2% in Bank Nifty. So huge swings and some wild swings, unexpected move by Bank Nifty. इतना बड़ा surge in the last 15 minutes. So yeah, I think Avinash. What is the next query?
Rightly said, Nikunj sir, Bank Nifty almost covered more than 2% in like 15 minutes, as we can see.
Yes.
नितिन जी, आपका कॉल की जगह पुट लेना चाहिए था. अगर बैंक निफ्टी रिकवर नहीं करता नितिन जी, definitely we would have made money in put side as well. So it's just a matter of momentum that did not went in our side. But nevertheless, we will definitely try to make it up in this session or in the very next session. So Nikunj sir, your query on Gravita. Bought at 2540 level, should I average it?
Average to suggest नहीं करेंगे. I think keep a stop of 2200 and hold. ऊपर से थोड़ा सा correct हुआ है, लेकिन अब तक अपने lifetime high के आसपास ही है. Almost 300 points lower है, but comparatively if you see दूसरे stocks काफी अपने lifetime high से काफी नीचे गिरी है, but it is holding relatively well. तो 2200 के stop से hold कीजिए, average मत कीजिए position.
Okay. So Venkataramani, definitely you said it right that we always, take a trade in the money, but considering today it was, we saw
it was at the money.
Yeah, so we did at the money trade, but as I mentioned, it didn't went in our side. So हमने बैंक निफ्टी में एक वाइल्ड स्विंग देखा 15 मिनट में 2 से 3% की रिकवरी दिख गई हमें, अराउंड 600-700 पॉइंट्स का रिकवरी दिखा. So yeah, that was the only thing.
Yeah.
But yes, I see a lot of text people, messages that we made X amount of losses today. We'll definitely make it up, guys, for the very next session. It's just that the momentum of the market we are seeing from last couple of days is not really that great. हमें थोड़ा सा
the swings are very big, so which is why even when our trade got activated, I clearly said that please try to respect the stop loss and target them first, because the swings are way too wild. So
yeah. So Nikunj sir, any stocks to focus for a long-term view, like you suggest us?
Long term, I think defensively you can look at Lupin or Zomato is a good long term candidate. You can look at Lupin, say even for ITC. I think ITC is a good long term stock. It will give you 3, 4, 5% good dividend yield as well. Even for that matter, the metal sector is not an investment thing, but Hindustan Zinc is one stock. I think it gives 6-7% dividend yield as well, and steady return deta hai. So I think these stocks you can look at. Even for auto, you can look TVS or Escorts. Even for that matter, even Maruti in auto looks decent for a long term. So Zomato, I think Zomato you should keep it as your portfolio stock. Even IT names like Infosys and even mid-cap IT like LTIM or Coforge are good stocks to have.
So, Jasprit ji, I would not agree with whatever you are saying. That आपने जब भी session join किया आपका loss हुआ है. We were in a profit streak for like more than one week, 1.5 week. अभी हमारे last कुछ 1-2 दिन से हमारा loss हुआ है due to volatility in the market. जैसे कि आप बैंक निफ्टी देख पाओगे, आज का ही एग्जांपल आप देख लो. सुबह बैंक निफ्टी 2-2.5% नीचे था. In last 15 minutes we see a huge recovery in that. So ऐसे volatile market में if we consider going in a put side, considering कि market सुबह से bearish ही है, but एक wild swing से हमें call option चल गया, so it just luck wasn't in our side. So we'll just consider that. So we'll take Nikunj sir 2-3 queries, then we'll wrap up the session.
Sure.
A Vodafone idea.
A penny stock. I think Bharti Airtel is a better bet in telecom. It to hope trade है, almost 9 rupees है. So the worst they can lose is 9 rupees. But I think अगर telecom space में रहना है तो be with Bharti Airtel. I think it's a well placed telecom stock. So I think I'll I would advise you to shift to Bharti Airtel rather than getting into Idea. अगर आपका ऑलरेडी पोजीशन है तो कीप अ स्टॉप ऑफ 8 एंड होल्ड.
NCL Industries.
NCR. NCR Industries.
NCL. NCL.
NCL.
Yes.
NCL India. So this is NLC, right? NLC बोला है कि
NCL Industries. Maybe Daryaji, please correct us if we are wrong. Meanwhile, Nikun sir will move ahead with another query.
Okay.
ACC.
ACC आफ्टर थोड़ा सा करेक्ट हुआ है, एज मार्केट करेक्ट हुआ है तो ये भी करेक्ट हुआ है, कोई ये नहीं है. बट नीचे में 2300 इज अ वेरी क्रूशियल सपोर्ट फॉर ACC. सो जब तक 2300 होल्ड करा है तब तक ठीक है. अगर 2300 ब्रेक करता है तो और थोड़ा सा करेक्टिव मूव आ सकता है. आपका अगर पोजीशन लॉन्ग है तो कीप अ स्टॉप ऑफ 2200 2300 एंड कंटिन्यू टू बी लॉन्ग. बैंक निफ्टी की अगर वापस कम बैक टू इट, बैंक निफ्टी ऑलमोस्ट प्लस हो गया था, वहां से वापस 1.5% माइनस हो गया. सो द स्विंग्स आर वे टू वाइल्ड फॉर एनी ट्रेडर और टू मेक एनी मनी, और वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रेड सच स्विंग्स. ऑलमोस्ट 51,450 का हाई करके, ऑलमोस्ट 51,500 का हाई करके अभी 50,800 है. तो 700 points we have lost in the matter of minutes. So these kind of moves are way too wild for anyone to catch a break on that.
So guys, as we can see, market एक recover होने के बाद again बैंक निफ्टी,
वापस 1.5% माइनस हो गया.
वापस एक 400 पॉइंट्स का हमें एक फॉल दिख गया already. So this is how the volatile market is today, right? And that's it guys from our end. Before we wrap up, Jasprit ji, I would address whatever you're saying. Market का rules follow करो, market नीचे जा रहा है, इससे trade मत दो, कोई pattern. Definitely Jasprit ji, हमारे जो experts है, they are so much expertise, have a good hands on this. उन लोग definitely pattern follow करते हैं, सारे candles देखते हैं, what exactly the trade we should initiate. अगर market sideways है, we also initiate with the strategies as well. It's just that we would say the luck was not in our favor today. The most I can say today. Yes.
True. The swing was way too wild for us to
exactly
any momentum. But the swings are way too wild. So.
Right. So yes, that's it guys from our end. Thank you so much Nikun sir to join us, and guys thank you so much to be a part of this session. We'll definitely try to make it up, to have a profitable session tomorrow. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you Nikun sir.
Thank you.